Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 revealed the future of robotics. In a groundbreaking announcement, Tesla has unveiled the highly anticipated Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2, a revolutionary humanoid robot that promises to change the landscape of robotics as we know it. This advanced robot is set to redefine human-machine interactions and bring about a new era of automation and artificial intelligence. Let's delve into the details of this groundbreaking creation and explore what makes the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 truly stand out. Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2, the future of robotics. The Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 is designed to be a versatile and sophisticated humanoid robot that is capable of performing a wide range of tasks with precision and efficiency. From household chores to industrial automation, this robot is equipped to handle various functions with ease. With its advanced sensors, powerful processors, and state-of-the-art artificial intelligence capabilities, the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 is a game-changer in the field of robotics. What sets the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 apart from other robots on the market? The Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 stands out from the competition due to its cutting-edge technology and innovative design. Unlike traditional robots that are limited in their capabilities, the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 is powered by Tesla's renowned expertise in artificial intelligence and automation. This allows the robot to adapt to different environments, learn new tasks on the fly, and interact seamlessly with humans. How does the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 enhance human-machine interactions? The Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 is designed to bridge the gap between humans and machines, offering a more intuitive and natural way of interacting with technology. With its advanced voice recognition, facial recognition, and gesture control capabilities, the robot can understand and respond to human commands with precision and accuracy. This seamless integration of human and machine communication makes the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 a groundbreaking innovation in robotics. What are some practical applications of the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2? The Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 has a wide range of practical applications across various industries. In the healthcare sector, the robot can assist medical professionals in patient care, monitoring vital signs and performing routine tasks. In the household, the robot can help with household chores, cleaning, and organization. In industrial settings, the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 can be used for automation, assembly line tasks, and maintenance work. The possibilities are endless with advanced humanoid robot. Conclusion. The Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 is a revolutionary creation that promises to reshape the future of robotics. With its advanced technology, versatile capabilities, and seamless human-machine interactions, as we look ahead to the potential of the Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2, one thing is clear. The future of robotics has never looked more exciting. Discover the groundbreaking Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 and its revolutionary impact on the world of robotics. Learn how this humanoid robot is changing the game with its advanced technology and versatile capabilities. Tesla bot Optimus Gen 2 revealed the future is here. Thank you very much for watching your video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.